How to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on an unsupported PC without data loss. Here you can see I have Windows 10 22H2 version installed. Now, let me show to you how we can upgrade to Windows 11 for free. At first, you need to download these two files mainly if you have unsupported PC machine. The Windows 11 disk image and this Windows 11 23H2 bypasser file. You can find all the links in the description below. But simply here is how you can do it. Open any web browser and then type to search download Windows 11. Click on this first link. Move down to download Windows 11 disk image for 64 devices. Select the download. Move down and then select to the product language that you want to use for image. Click on Confirm. And there the image will download and you will have the files like this. So, to upgrade to Windows 11, all what you have to do is double-click to open. Here click to open the setup. Click on Yes to continue. The installation setup process will pop up. Here click on Next. When the setup start checking the system, this will pop up unsupported PC or machine. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. The PC must support TPM 2.0. Now to bypass this, all what you have to do is click on Close. Now go on and extract this Windows 11 23H2 bypasser file. Double-click to open. Click on Yes to continue. Here you will see the command start running to skip the TPM check. When it's done, again, open the Windows disk image. Click on the setup. Click on Yes. Now here you can see we no longer have the other issue of TMP check. Down here click on Accept. So, this process will take a lot of time depending on your computer speed, so you have to be patient. Okay. Now since we don't want to lose our files here, you have to click on Change What to Keep option. Choose what to keep. Here you have to select Keep Personal Files and Apps. If you want to install fresh copy, you can click to Nothing. Now click on Next. The setup will start checking the updates and then copying the files. And remember, during this process, the computer will restart several times, so please don't fear that process. Done? Now you can see, we have successfully upgraded from Windows 10 to 11 23H2 version, simple and easy. And even you can see we still have our files on the computer, no data loss. So, that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.